What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been about 8 or 9 months since I've uploaded a real tutorial video on my channel. By the way, it's not a tutorial video, it's more likely informing you guys with my absence, the reason that I was absent, and also my current and new situation and condition, and also the upcoming videos and the upcoming plans of the channel. But first of all, I want to thank all guys to be supportive in this meanwhile that I wasn't active, with your comments, with your positive feedbacks, with your questions. They really meant a lot for me and I really appreciate it. So thank you again, guys, for all that you did for the channel. And second, about my current situation and the reason that I was absent in this meanwhile, I was trying to providing my stuff and document to get the GKSU scholarship program, which is given by the South Korean government. And guess what? Finally I got it, and I haven't even imagined that I would be able to get it. And I got the animation course, full fund animation course scholarship program in Korea, South Korea. And now I'm Korea and recording this video from Korea for you guys. So from the next year, maybe March 2025, around that period, our animation classes will be starting, but now we are attending the Korean language program. So which means that meanwhile that I am trying to get productive and design videos for you guys, I have to attend the Korean classes as well, so I would be a little bit busy. So I appreciate that you understand a little bit. So about the third thing that I'm going to talk about, the new changes in the channel and the upcoming things that I want to do. And the first one that I want to do is to create a full ultra beginner tutorial for the ones that they haven't worked with Blender and they are not familiar with the 3D world yet. I know it's kind of cliche because you can find it everywhere, but as a friend of mine said, you have to have your own version of that. So I'm gonna try to create that and design my own version of the Blender from scratch. And the second, I am thinking about to choose one, or if I had time, to choose two of my artworks which I've designed earlier, and then to create a full scholarship full tutorial from the beginning up to the end for you guys, like I did for one of my artworks as well, which is called the Torgate, which is in a Japanese theme mostly. And the links are in the description if you haven't watched that, and if you're interested in Japanese and East Asian artworks, you can just follow along with the tutorial and enjoy it. So I'm gonna choose one of the artworks, and alongside the other videos that I will record and make for you guys, I will do them as well alongside these videos. And also, if you have something in your mind and you want to learn something that there isn't in channel and you can find it anywhere, just comment, let me know in the comments, just comment it below. And in that case, I can be able to make more relevant videos for your needs, and we can just communicate and talk about these ideas more and more to get more productive. So that will be better than these kind of things. And also about the other things, I wanna make the channel more interactive and more challengeable for you guys. And I'm not gonna talk about them now because it's likely a little bit secretish stuff, and I will reveal them in the future videos and upcoming videos. So I'm so happy to see you again, all guys, and again for the third time, thank you all for supporting me and channel. And I just can't wait to record my next video and upload it on YouTube. So stay tuned, see you on the next videos.